So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue if you are unable to apply wallpapers to your desktop. Even if you try to apply, all of them turn out to be black wallpapers. Now, in order to fix that, just simply go to control panel right there, and here make sure it is selected by view by selected to category, and here click on ease of access right there, and click on this option of optimize visual display. Once you are in it, make sure that this option, that is remove background images where available, is unchecked. Now what it does, it simply turn out the background wallpaper to black for better visibility. But if you want the wallpapers, just simply uncheck it and hit apply and then hit OK. now
Always
now
scan.
now whenever you try to add a new wallpaper just by going to personalization, you'll notice that your wallpaper is easily applying. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.